Hey there mga my loves, Libra! Thank you so much for always being here with me in this channel, babe. So yun nga na bago natin simulan ang reading na to for you guys, reminders muna tayo na hindi to for everybody. So just take only what resonates with you. And of course, this is timeless as well. Okay? Wala tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here, sweetheart. Remember that. At syempre mga babes, no, at the end of the day, you still have your free will. Syempre naman, you can use that anytime. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Alamin na natin no, mga energy here or mga posible or maaaring maging kaganapan here for you, dearest Libra. So, spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my Libra people. What do we have here for them, please? Messages for them. Can you please show me? Messages for Libra, please. Libra. Libra, nakita ko na eraser. Maaaring gumamit kayo ng pambora. Eraser. Pwede namang lapis yun. May mga pambora na makakabura na rin no, ng sulat yung ballpen. Ayan. Okay. Or meron kayo ritong i-erase or aalisin sa buhay niyo. Bongga. Hindi yung pick-up line ha. Okay, so Libra, let's see. Libra. Maaari kasing gumamit kayo niyan. If not, it's okay. Nakita kasi natin kaya natin minention. So let's see Libra, what do we have here for you, mahal? First energy we've got here for you guys, justice. So you're wanting to bring balance here in your life. And I'm picking up that you're receiving that or yet you are about to receive that. You're having here balance, no? So nakikita ko rito yung iba, you could be working here in a government, pwedeng sa law firm, legal, or pwedeng kayo ay lawyer or meron kayong knowledge about that. No, doesn't have to be a lawyer, pero maaring may knowledge kayo about the laws or sa mga batas na dapat sundin. Okay? But here, I'm picking up that you could be seeing as well number 333s or angel numbers 333, which is a powerful indication that your life will be at a state of balance, if not yet, no, strongly, na kapag nakikita mo yun, mas malaki yung chance na talagang babalanse na yung life mo. But most likely, for a lot of you, justice is right here. So I'm picking up that you're receiving here some kind of a justice because I told you that eraser na nakita natin kanina is also a symbol here because you're erasing here. I do pick up memories of the past which are burdening you. And finally, you're considering na talagang hindi mo na yun iisipin and that you need to walk away, no, for good. Okay? Doon mula sa mga masasakit at mapapait na experiences mo sa life, you're receiving here justice, major arcana. So the universe right here is helping you to receive this justice. If you are having here court cases or other legal matters right here, or yung iba naman pwedeng yan ay work contract, no, or something to do with, you know, kahit ano, na may nilalakad kayo ritong documents, no, na may kinalaman sa perma, contract right here na I'm seeing you that the favor will be at your side, no. So, nakita ko rito that the ball is rolling. Iba naman na pwedeng ang tagal na umandar ng kaso na yan, no. Finally, ito ay bumibilis na, no, at nakikita ko na mag-end na rin yan. Wow! At ang pabor ay nasa inyo. Yan, we have here the Hierophant energy. You know what? Strongly, these are indications of marriage. So, ibig sabihin here, Libra, no, kung meron man kayo ngayong kakonect, no, na someone special, okay, boyfriend or girlfriend mo na siya, no, nakikita ko rito na malakas ang potential na kayong dalawa na talaga yung magkakatuluyan, no, magkakapirmahan ng marriage contract, magkakasanduguan. may paglaslas pala ng blood compact dito, no. Ibig sabihin nun, you are willing to fight for this connection and take it to the next level. Yun yun. Ibig sabihin, kung meron man kayong boyfriend, girlfriend right now, it's calling for marriage, no? Siya na talaga yung pakakasalan mo rito. Wala tayong gender dito, so if you're connecting here with someone really special, I'm seeing that this person will definitely see you and will be with you, no? Will be right beside you for a lifetime. no? So, hangga't andyan ka, andyan din siya. Yun yung energy na nakuha natin dito, no? So, yung iba naman, puwedeng kasal na kayo nitong person na 'to or kakakasal niyo pa lang, no? Nakikita ko na mas titibay pa ang inyong samahan, no? Actually, I'm seeing that you will be proud with each other, okay? Yun yung nakikita ko dito. And if you're not yet into any relationship like minsan wala akong kausap ngayon, definitely you will meet someone here, no? So, puwedeng malapit sa simbahan yung makikilala mo or malapit mga babes sa sandigan bayan. I mean malapit 'no, sa isang law firm ganyan or sa isang hukuman ganyan. So, whatever the case may be, that's also what I'm picking up, so minention natin. Pero maaaring makilala mo siya rito mga babes 'no, kapag may nilakad kang contract or kapag ikaw ay, kapag merong nag-level up sa buhay mo, maaari mo siyang ma-meet 'no. Nakikita ko kasi dito na may magle-level up sa buhay mo, so puwedeng may pagbabagong mangyaring nakapabor sa'yo sa trabaho, basta yung parang nag-level up na pakiramdam mo parang nagkaroon ng positibong pagbabago sa buhay mo, then makikilala mo na siya. Yung iba na may kausap ngayon na nakikita ko rito na magkakaroon ng mas malalim rito na koneksyon sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. So, kung sino man siya 'no, may potensyal na siya na talaga rito 'no, yung iyong makapirmahan 'no, ng apelyido. So, ibig sabihin that is calling for marriage. So, ikakasal talaga kayo na nakikita ko dito. Both of you will fight for these feelings for each other right here. Yeah, you will be single no more. Yung iba, yung contract na pinag-uusapan natin kanina may kinalaman sa pera or magdadala ng pera sa'yo. Pwedeng inheritance yun. Pwede may makukuha kang pera out of that law or something here. Court cases might be for others. Pero kung ano man yan, nakikita ko dito na magpapalaya yan. Freedom yung nakuha ko sa Nine of Pentacles energy right here, na magpapalaya sa anumang isipin mo. So, meron ditong Libra, no, na parang meron ka ritong gustong bumalanse sa buhay mo, no, I'm seeing it coming to end. You will receive here peace and serenity. Yan. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, meron tayo dito nakikita na, yeah, someone here who is still attracted to you. Pero nakikita ko rito na pwedeng meron na siya ritong responsibilidad sa iba. Okay? Doesn't have to be na ex mo, pero oo. May energy ng ex mo rito na with the Seven of Swords energy na Five of Pentacles. This person ghosted you. So, pwedeng inabandon na iniwan ka niya rito, no? Nang luhaan, take note, no? Pero kung ikaw to na wala man lang effect sa'yo nung iniwan ka ng ex mo, then hindi yung message na yun ay para sa'yo, okay? Just take how this resonates, no? If this person here left you in the past, no, na talagang iniwan ka niyang luhaan to the point na you feel like, no, na parang pinupunit yung heart mo, then this message is strongly for you. Yeah, ito totoong sasabihin ko sa'yo. Kasi kung sino man tong person na to, no, still so attracted to you, no, this person here will definitely, okay, try to pursue something here. Might be communication because I'm seeing a lot of swords here. And I'm picking up, no, na kung sino man siya, kung gustuhin man niya makipag-usap sa'yo rito, no, if that is your ex, no, then, pag humingi siya ng chance, just say no. Okay? Kasi I'm seeing this person here, okay, is still a liar, still a cheater, still someone who will leave you hanging. And this person here will definitely cause a lot of fights and conflicts, no? Wala ka na naman magiging tahimik na gabi dito kapag ka pinaunlakan mo siya here. And also, what I'm picking up right here, no, is parang nagkakaroon kasi siya, kaya may pagbabalik rito, kasi nagkakaroon siya ng problema. Nagkakaroon siya dito ng problema with the third party. Yes, no? So, kung sino man yung ex mo na sumama sa third party strongly para to sa'yo, nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng problema sa third party, naghahanap siya no, ng kalinga, ng nagbigay sa kanya, no, ng pagmamahal at atensyon, talagang alaga, no. So, ikaw yung one of the top list niya rito. So, ibig sabihin mga babes, dito lang to para lang, alam mo yun, na para lang palakasin yung loob niya, na para lang meron siya rito masabi na, ay, kasi ito yung sobrang nagmahal sa akin eh. At dito ako makakatanggap ng totoong aruga at pag-aalaga, no. Parang hilo lang 'to eh, no. Pero ganun yung nakukuha ko sa kanya, no, may pagbabalik dito. Yan, no, Chariot card right here. Could be dealing with a Cancer but doesn't have to be. See, Chariot together with this Judgment right here. I'm picking up that this person here will use the power of love daw no? Para maibalik ka sa buhay niya, yun yung gagamitin niya rito, no? Na pang trick, no? Mandurugas to eh. Yan mga babes, no? Don't let your guard down. That's the advice for you. And also what I pick up here for you, Libra, is that if you're eyeing here for, a role na medyo swak sa yung trabaho na kunwari ganito, nag-apply ka diyan sa dream company mo 'no, pero hindi available yung hindi vacant yung position na gusto mo talagang applyan na nakikita ka na mapupunta ka diyan. Mag-o-open 'yan, so grab that opportunity. Kunwari sa sales ka nagpunta 'no, kasi love mo talagang makapasok sa company na 'yan, eh, pangarap mo 'yun, 'di ba? Pero walang open na position para dun sa pinakagusto mo talaga na posisyon, nakikita ko mag-o-open 'yun, so grab that opportunity. Yung iba, nakita ko rito na doesn't have to be na nakapasok ka na dun sa kumpanya, pero may magbubukas rito na offer na na kung saan parang mas mararamdaman mong feeling more connected ka dun. I'm seeing you grabbing that and receiving that, 'no? Ikaw yung makakakuha ng spot na yun, okay? So, yung iba naman puwedeng promotion 'yan, 'no? I'm seeing that you will also receive and achieve that spot, okay? So, nakikita ko rito na merong nagmamatiyag sa'yo rito, 'no, ng palihim sa mga galawan mo. So, don't give any tips, 'no, or yung mga aces or alas mo na 'wag mo i-share sa iba. Kasi nakikita ko rito na yung iba looks friendly, pero yung totoo meron lang sila gustong makuha sa'yo, Seven of Swords energy. And this person here is definitely somewhat puwedeng coworker mo 'no, or someone around you 'no, na na hindi naman inggit sa'yo kundi gusto niya lang ng maraming ideas 'no, or maraming concepts rito 'no. Like this person loves to gather here 'no, yung mga puwede niya ritong magamit 'no, para sa sarili niyang pag-angat 'no. So, ang pangit lang kasi sa kanya, aware siya 'no, about that. So, puwedeng madalas mo rin siyang kasama sa lunch or baka nasa department mo siya, yung nakikita ko rito 'no, someone around you 'no. Ang nakakaloka kasi dito, alam niya rin naman na gusto mo yung posisyon na yun if you're targeting here a promotion 'no, pero yun nga 'no, see, gusto niya pa rin ditong mandugas. So, kasi naman siya don't allow na huwag kayong masyadong magkuwento na ng mga plano ninyo, mga gusto niyong gawin, mga strategies, like keep it to yourself, okay? And also, I'm seeing you right here 'no, na meron kayo ritong pagkakagastusan, so make sure na huwag kayong mag-spend ng more, okay? So, I do pick up na yung pagkakagastusan niyo rito na is like it will come here unexpectedly. So, mas maganda na meron kang madudukot sa iyong bulsa 'no, pero huwag kayong mag-alala, it's not a call for emergency, pero ang maganda meron kayong pera diyan na mailalabas, nakikita ko rito 'no. Maganda na hindi ito parang yung emergency na ma ma madadali pati yung emotions mo 'no, so hindi naman gano'n. Pero mas maganda 'no, na mas may tabi ka, mas may ipon ka para meron kang pagkukunan 'no, so yung nakikita ko rito. Tamang add to cart at tamang checkout lang, Libra, okey? Yeah, and these are all the messages I've got right here for you, honey. Thank you so much, Libra. Sana ngayong love and light